Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to create a double stroke outline or text with double outline in Canva. So first of all, you can see that we are in the main Canva page. So afterwards, we're gonna create double outline text effect in Canva by selecting whichever file format you will need. Then afterwards, here we click text. Add a text box, type your text, say outline. Then we're gonna pick a font here so we can pick whichever is very wide. So you shake hand. So make the text bigger. Outline. So, so there we go. Now we're gonna select position, then select center. So now that it is positioned in the center already, so we can just put it bigger. Center, there we go. Let me select effects, and we're gonna select outline in the effects. Then put it to 150. Pick a color, so we can pick white there. Then we're gonna select duplicate. Then here we're gonna make the thickness 200. Then pick a color. We're gonna make it black. Now we're gonna put a position, and after going position, you put it on the back. Now we're gonna align the text and center it, or we can select both layers to resize and move the whole outline text. So that's how you create a text with a double outline in Canva. It's pretty complicated, but if you're gonna study it, it'll be pretty simple for you nowadays. Once again, thank you for watching this Canva tutorial, and please follow and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks to come.